recipe is simple. A fast car on a lonely highway. Beautiful young people eager for love. And then one moment of anticipated pleasure suddenly turns into an ordeal of violence and terror. The road to nowhere is riddled with these nomads of death. Blood-sucking freaks who take sustenance by hunting down and ravaging the beautiful and the innocent.
Why did we come here, Vinny?
I told you, the Nullarbor has the best schnitties in Australia.
We'll be the schnitties in a minute if we don't do something.
Faced with torture and extinction from the damned and the undead, the bravest fight for their lives. But it's their souls they ultimately lose in this battle with vampires, zombies, and freaks.